Hello, my name is Sonja, and today's topic is an introduction to how to use LinkedIn for your business, in our case for Esteem as an NGO. I will talk about some LinkedIn basics, what is it, for what purpose people use it, how to join. Also, I will mention types of content people share here, and I will introduce you to basic LinkedIn tools you might need when managing a Esteem page. So let's start. As you probably have heard, LinkedIn is getting more popular each day and getting on hundreds of new users. Why is it like that? LinkedIn stands for a social networking service that helps many people to share stuff like their company updates, many news in science, industry, and technology, also innovations and new discoveries, then different surveys, useful tips, job offers, etc. But most importantly is to simply follow and connect the people from their field of interest and expertise. LinkedIn as a professional service is perfect for finding new business opportunities, new employees or employers, collaboration opportunities and partners. Not to forget, it is helpful for graduates or entrepreneurs in the entrance of their career to find sponsors, partners, or coworkers. About the types of the content you are most likely gonna find here are posts focused on professional and work skills, education, and self-improvement resources. Before we start, I would like to mark that managing your own account is not the same as managing company's page for the reason of different tools and options, also goals, because companies most usually use it for sales purpose and they're focused more on profit stuff, getting new employees and partners. But still, some of the tricks they use and share with the audience might be also helpful for private accounts. Let's start with few basic things you should know when start managing other page. Number 1. As in every other page, first you have to create your own LinkedIn account, so you could set yourself as an administrator of the page you want to manage. Here, you can see that I have my own account, but down below in a Manage section, I am managing the company of Esteem. Number 2. Contacts on LinkedIn are called connections. You can connect and follow people when you use your private account, but remember, that is not the case with company's account. Here other people can follow you, but to get more followers to your page, you use several marketing strategies and techniques to improve the quality of the content you offer and the appearance in the network in general. Many techniques on how to get new followers and improve your page you can find on many blogs and YouTube channels, online workshops, etc. If you are managing the NGO page, it would be good to put some time and effort in this because most important and vital segment for NGOs is HR, recruiting and getting new members and partners, but that highly depends on your content and promotion plan. Number 3. First thing when you open your page, make sure your profile is complete. You can check it out here. Here you can see that you can change your page logo and the tagline. What people most usually put in a tagline is a short description of their company, like we put it here for Esteem. But if we're talking about the private account, you should just put some basic information about yourself. Here on the left side, when you click the buttons, you can see the button preview, actually what appears when you click to Esteem page. So here you have a follow and visit website button. In the About section, when you click the Overview, here in the description, you can put some more information about yourself. And as you scroll down below, you can put an address that will lead someone to your website. Also, an industry you belong, company size, company type, year founded, and some other things. When you click to locations, you can see the current location, and here on the right side, when you click on this pen, you can edit this location, or if your company has several different locations, just click here to add a location. In the community section, You have an option to manage your hashtags, but not more than 3 of them, and your featured groups. The last option here in the edit section is the manage languages. Remember, if you don't have picture and information about you and your page, everything will look very frivolous and no one will pay attention to it. Keep on your mind that a page tells a story of who you are and it represents you as a company or an NGO, your work and values. The fourth thing I would like to talk about is the activity. You can find it here above the cover photo. When you click the activity section, here you see all the notifications for Esteem, such as when someone reacts to your company updates, shares your company updates, mention you or comment on your update. And here on the left side, you can choose just to see some of them, like just to see reaction or just to see the shares. And one important suggestion is that you should be always very active and respond people to their comments and shares because it will lead you to a bigger engagement rate. Now, let's get the home section again. And the next thing I would like to mention here are the admin tools. You can find them here in upper right corner. When you click here, you see that you have an option to invite your connections, sponsor an update, post a job, or create an event or a showcase page. Also, here you find all the settings where you can manage your admins, edit public URL, or deactivate your page. And at the bottom here is the Help Center. Next, and probably the most important part of the page are posts. Here, as I scroll down, you can see the date, and see that we have posts on every 2, 3 to 4 days. What every post consists of is the description. As you can see, we always try to have not too short but not too long descriptions where we explain what is in the post. Also, here you can tag your partners or your members, also put an email address or a link that will lead people to certain web page. Also, you can insert a picture or a video, but what is important for Esteem as an NGO that all our pictures on our social media channels must follow our CIG. At the bottom of each post, when you click to show stats, you have an option to see the statistic for each and individual post, but this is just the basic information. If you want to get more information about the statistics, you should check out this section Analytics, where you can have an overview of your visitors, updates, and followers. Here you can have a bigger overview of data and for a bigger time range. And if you're more interested in statistics, please check out the video how to keep track of statistics on LinkedIn. This would be it for today. I hope I helped you to understand some basic stuff about LinkedIn. And if you want to learn more, check out some YouTube videos, some blogs where you can find some other explanations, and just put some time and effort in this and you will see that it's not that complicated. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.